This week is Gas Safety Week, and every year on Gas Safety Week, the gas industry comes together with one common goal, and that is to promote the importance of looking after your gas appliances and keeping gas safe. The gas industry locally has impeccably high standards, and Gas Safety Week is all about ensuring that the 350,000 customers connected to natural gas continue to look after their appliances and enjoy all the benefits of a gas system. Today we are going to catch up with the head of Phoenix Energy Services, Neil Boyce, to get his advice on how to make sure your gas appliances continue to operate safely. What are your top tips for everyone listening to this so that they can be gas safe?
Gas is a very safe fuel for use in both homes and businesses. However, like any fuel, it's important to get your appliances checked, not only to ensure that they maintain their efficiency, but more importantly, that they operate safely. Therefore, if you're a homeowner, you should get this checked of your own accord. If you are a tenant, then you should get this done by your landlord.
Okay, that makes sense, but how do I find someone to service my boiler, and then how do I make sure that they're suitably qualified?
Well, you should get your boiler serviced every year, and to do so you should use the Gas Safe Register. The Gas Safe Register provides a list of engineers who are legally permitted to do work on your gas appliances. To do this, you can do a search by a postcode to get an engineer who is local to you, and also you can do a search by either domestic or commercial. It's also important to remember that the Gas Safe Registered engineers will have an identification card and should ask to see this before doing any work.
Okay, so I've got my appliances serviced, but what do I do if I think that I might have a gas leak?
Natural gas is odourless, however we do add an odorant to it, similar to that of rotten eggs. This should give you an indication that there is a leak or a small leak within your property. If you think you smell gas, you should carry out a few steps initially. First of all, isolate your meter at the emergency control valve, usually sited to the side of the meter itself. Open windows and doors to help your property ventilate, and contact the Northern Ireland Gas Emergency Line on 0800 002 001.
So is there anything else that householders and businesses should consider?
I would recommend having a carbon monoxide detector fitted to your property, whether it be domestic or commercial. Carbon monoxide is odourless and colourless, so you'll not see or smell it. Therefore, having an alarm fitted will help ensure to detect any such leaks of carbon monoxide.
Neil, this has been very useful. Any final words of advice for this year's Gas Safety Week?
Quite simply, to spread the message throughout Northern Ireland. We have 350,000 customers across the province, and spreading these messages that I've mentioned already to your family, friends and neighbours will help keep everyone safe.